Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a booking form to your Wix website. This is perfect if we want to let clients schedule appointments, services, or consultations directly through our site. Let's get started. From your Wix dashboard, we need to add the booking feature. All we have to do is click here. Then go to Add Elements, and we can see the Bookings option. We just need to click on Bookings, then click Add to Site. It will now start loading and apply to our website. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we're ready to go. Here is our booking section. We can now add the names of our services and list everything we want to offer. We can also customize the booking section as much as we like based on our preferences. And that's how we add a booking form on Wix. With this simple setup, we can manage appointments easily and give our visitors a smooth booking experience.